The sun is out, businesses are slowly reopening, and we're celebrating spring with augmented reality. Come follow me to see how you can have some fun with your smartphone and AR. Support local businesses with the ImagineAR app, available on iOS and Android devices. Once downloaded, you can either click AR near me or scan an AR target to see some digital creations. Next time you and the family want a fun local adventure, visit Streetsville in Mississauga and take their heritage walking tour. All you need to do is open the ImagineAR app, click Scan AR Target, and find a location in Streetsville with a poster like this. With over 30 participating locations in this historic neighborhood, you'll have lots to see and do, such as watch videos and listen to Heritage Mississauga storytellers.
The Robinson Bray House was built in 1885.
It's easy to take photos or short videos with the AR and share your creations on social media. How about celebrating the arrival of spring with a leprechaun or basket of Easter eggs? Click AR near me on the ImagineAR app from wherever you are to pose with any of the digital characters you can find. Remember to tag your favorite local businesses to show them your support. Feeling lucky? Enter one of our contests for a chance to win great prizes. There could be a pot of gold in your future. My name is Zumra from Mississauga, and catch us next time on Walk Through and Try.